So today we're going to go over how to use your R6 with old and antique lenses. What is going on, you guys? My name is Daniel and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over how to use your old manual lenses, like stuff out of the 80s and stuff. So why you would want to use these is they have a very unique look to them, and they can have lens flares and that old like 70s film look to them, so they can give some characters to some of your photos. And as far as I know, most of them are pretty cheap. This one's pretty cool because as you move it, you can literally see the aperture open and close. Let's see if I can even get that for you guys right there. Can you see that? I mean, that's pretty cool. Being able to see the aperture just open and close. I don't know. It gets me going. So first off, what you're going to need is the adapter for the R and then your lens. So I'm just going to put this on there. And there is one setting, because when you normally do this, you are not going to be able to take a photo with it. So you put it on there, and then it's not going to take your photo. See, pressing, no photo, no photo. Okay, so what you need to do, so what you're going to need to do to be able to use this, so pretty much what you're going to tell the computer is to go to the orange camera under number 4 and go to release shutter without lens. So pretty much what you're telling it is to take the picture even though you don't identify a lens attached to the front of this camera, because it's all mechanical, so you're not going to have anything there. So you turn that on, and now you're going to be able to take photos with it. And you can go up in there and you can see everything adjusting. And that's how you turn it on. If you enjoy videos on how to use your R6 better, don't forget to like and subscribe down below.